So I hope you're getting my recording. As I said, this is my initial record. Absolutely gorgeous morning. So yeah, I plan on recreating. I've got 200 AI generated videos, and I am going to recreate each and every one that I can. Gonna need some money for some of them. Helicopter ride at midnight on New Year's Eve. That's a $2,000 trip right there. I've done a lot of them. The Royal Gorge train, did that for my 50th birthday, but we didn't record it. Didn't have an action camera at the time. Been up Lookout Mountain a million times, never recorded it. So yeah, I'm gonna start recreating all of these videos, and I'd like to take you along with me. So remember, Rich Rides the Rockies. I'm excited about this new journey, recording myself. I was once the family photographer. I used to record all of the family events. At the end of the year, I would make a CD, a correlation of all the events, and pass them out for Christmas. So times have changed. I don't even know anybody that has a CD player. Well, I take that back. Melissa has one in her car. It's really cool. Her little Honda CR-V. The CD player is hidden behind the face. Whoa, it's a little slippery out here. So yeah, I'm just rambling right now, just talking. I am glad to be starting this new chapter of my life. Driving rideshare for 8+ years. I got a lot of stories. If you'd like to hear those stories, leave a comment in the chat box. I love to tell stories. I think I was So yeah, as I started to say, I'm transitioning from AI generated faceless videos to actually recording my adventures. And I did mention that I no longer have a car. Or at the moment, I don't have a car. Or I have a plan. I'm going to save for the next 6 months so that I can purchase a motorcycle. I want to, that motorcycle will help me to expand. Currently I plan on recreating my AI generated videos using my e-bike. I've already got my first trip planned out. I'm going to go from here in the University Park neighborhood. I am going to work my way down to the Platte River, over to Bear Creek, and see how far I can get. The goal is to make it into Morrison. So we will see. And eventually, I'd like to save up. It's going to take me a year or two, unless I get a windfall or my YouTube channel starts paying off. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All I need is 400 more subscribers to monetize. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. And this is my initial recording, walking through my neighborhood. Absolutely gorgeous. A little slippery. So this is my first recording with this new camera, DJI Osmo Action 3. And I plan on heading home after this and uploading and editing the video. You know, I gotta say, I have learned more these last 10 years than I have my entire adult life. I mean, who would have ever thought of it? Rich Rides the Rockies. 65-year-old man has his own YouTube channel. My niece Alana told me one time, she says, "Uncle, you're the first one to have a YouTube channel. You're the first one to have social media, period." And she has since followed up. She has her X account where she records videos of her son on the daily. She's a new mother. Proud of her son. Mateo. End recording. Stop recording. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you can see the spiral from DU right there with Mount Evans in the background. Denver, Colorado. I love this place. extended the selfie stick. I'm not sure if you can still hear me. I'm just gonna walk along. Let you view this beautiful morning. I say I love this city. Reminds me of, I believe it's Toby Keith's song, I Love This Bar. Now I've got it stuck in my head. Okay, I had the camera backwards. There's the spiral from DU with Mount Evans in the background. I want to walk over here and get a shot of the snow in this tree. There's the DU spiral behind me. So a quick little 10-minute walk through my neighborhood here in University Park. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see more of you at Rich Rides the Rockies. Don't forget to like,